Look, I'm going to have a chat with Hunter and Dana later on and figure out what's next. There's some big names, there's some cool matchups. You know, there's SHAVKAT, 18-0, undefeated. I'd love to get my hands on him. I've trained with him. I have nothing but respect for the guy, but I want to be the first guy to take his own. I know I can do it. I've just beat the fastest guy in the division other than me. When it comes to striking and skill set, I can do it. When it comes to grappling, we've seen the growth that I have. I'm excited to go out there and prove it against someone like him.
So you mentioned SHAVKAT as a potential opponent. I know you also on Media Day mentioned he might get the winner of Bilal and Leon. Is Kamaru Usman a possible opponent? Like you mentioned, there's huge fights, but there's a lot of fights that are booked. JDM's injured, right? So, and any other names that come to mind?
Any of them. I'm not picky. You've got Usman. I don't think Usman wants to fight me. I don't think Usman wants to come out here and fight someone who's that fast. I think he'd much rather have an easier stylistic matchup. And like, for example, he's been talking about fighting Wonderboy. Wonderboy's older now. He's not as fast as I am. He's not as well